Today we discuss the reactions of the 1,3-butadiene. In our according to syllabus, there are the 5 reactions with the 1,3-butadiene. First reaction 1,3-butadiene is with react with the Br2 or Cl2 in presence of inert solvent, that is the carbon tetrachloride. It gives the two products, 1,2 addition product and 1,4 addition product. 1,2 addition product means if it is the 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atom in 1,3-butadiene, it is, and on the Br2 and or Cl2 it gives the addition product. Means addition product means they add this reagent add on this the 1,3-butadiene. In this there is a express, it is position 1 and 2 position, it is known as 1,2 addition product. 1 and 4 it is the 1,4 addition product. And of this reaction, the mechanism of the reaction it is discussed later. And another example, it is the addition of HBr. Here and the same addition of HBr, it is also showing the two products, 1,2 addition and 1,3 addition product, 1,4 addition product, CH, CH2, CH3, Br. This is the 1,2 addition product. And another 1,4 addition product which is CH2, Br, CH double bond, CH, CH3. This is the 1,2 addition product and it is the 1,4 addition product. Another reaction is the 1,3-butadiene is react with the H2, means addition of hydrogen means the reduction. When this H2 addition of hydrogen molecule in presence of platinum, it gives the two product, 1 butene and 2 butene, CH2 double CH, CH2, CH3. It is the first product. And another product is CH3, CH double bond, CH, CH3. It is the one, it is 1 butene. Another example is product is 2 butene. When the 1,3-butadiene and addition of hydrogen in presence of platinum, it gives the true product 1 butene and 2 butene. Now the next, the reaction with the polymerization reaction. This 1,3-butadiene is undergoes polymerization in presence of peroxide. It gives the polymer polybutadiene, CH2, CH double bond, CH, CH2. This is the monomer, and it is, if it is n times, it is the polybutadiene. It is also called as Buna rubber. And last reaction is the when the 1,3-butadiene is react with the unsaturated compounds like the ethene, like acetylene, like cyanides, it gives the addition product and it is called as the Diels-Alder reaction. When this reaction it is added, it is converted into cyclic product. Cyclic product means it is the cyclohexene is the product. So this reaction also discuss in more details in later. So now first आपण पहिले रिएक्शन बघू, द मेकॅनिझम ऑफ 1,3-butadiene, CH2, CH, CH, CH2, H with the Br2. It gives the 1,2 plus 1,4 addition products. So we taking the mechanism. ये mechanism मध्ये in the mechanism आपको बहुत अच्छे से how it is happens the reaction. तो 1,3-butadiene CH2 double bond CH2 CH, CH2. When it is the Br2, Br and Br, these molecules when in contact with the 1,3-butadiene, the pi electron cloud of the 1,3-butadiene is polymerize these molecules, and the one Br carries the del positive charge, another carries del negative charge. That is Br is attack on the C1 carbon of the 1,3-butadiene and it is converted into carbonium ion, and it is represented as a carbonium ion 1, CH2 Br. ये Br यहाँ पे अटैच हो गया और ये carbon atom carries the positive charge, hence it is called as carbonium ion 1. And this carbonium ion undergoes resonance and it is converted into carbonium ion 2. कैसे होगा? ये डबल बॉन्ड शिफ्टिंग टू दिस बॉन्ड, मुझे शिफ्टिंग टू अनदर सिंगल बॉन्ड एंड इट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू डबल बॉन्ड and it is converted into कार्बोनियम आयन CH2 Br, ये बन गया. तो इसको नाम देंगे हम कार्बोनियम आयन 2. तो दिस इज द रिएक्शन. हियर इज व्हाट हैपन, बुटाडाइन के साथ ये Br2 का रिएक्शन हो गया. एक Br अटैच हो गया कार्बन 1 पे बुटाडाइन पे, और ये Br एज अ रिमेन्स एज अ Br माइनस. इट इज द ब्रोमाइड आयन. ये ब्रोमाइड आयन अभी इस किसको अटैक करेंगे? इफ इट इज अटैक ऑन द carbonium ion, it gives the product CH2 CH CHBr CH2Br. इसका मतलब ये कौन सा प्रोडक्ट है? 1,2 एडिशन प्रोडक्ट एंड इट इज नोन एज 3,4 डाइब्रोमो 1 ब्यूटीन. If this bromide ion is attack on the carbonium ion 2, it is converted into CH2 Br. ये Br कहाँ पर अटैच होंगे? ये CH2 को. ये CH2 हो गया CH डबल बॉन्ड CH CH2 Br. अब ये कौन सा प्रोडक्ट है? 1,4 एडिशन प्रोडक्ट. तो दिस इज द मैकेनिज्म ऑफ एडिशन ऑफ द Br2 RCl2 on butadiene. Next mechanism, we are taking the reaction 1,3 butadiene CH2 CH double bond CH2 plus HBr. It is also showing the addition product 1,2 addition plus 1,4 addition product. तो इन दिस व्हाट इज द हैपन फर्स्ट इन द मैकेनिज्म. इन मैकेनिज्म में क्या होता है? फर्स्ट में स्टेप इज द डिसोसिएशन ऑफ द HBr. HBr का डिसोसिएशन होगा और इट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू प्रोटॉन प्लस ब्रोमाइड आयन. नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या होता? ये प्रोटॉन अटैक्स ऑन द 1,3 ब्यूटाडाइन. 1,3 ब्यूटाडाइन पे अटैक करेंगे ये प्रोटॉन ऑन द कौन से कार्बन आइटम पे? 1 कार्बन आइटम. इसको कंसिडर करेंगे अपन 1 2 3 4. तो इस पे अटैक करेंगे तो इट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू CH2 CH. अब ये H पॉजिटिव है और इसको बॉन्ड फॉर्म करने के लिए ये इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्ट करेंगे तो ये बन गया पॉजिटिव. तो इट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू पॉजिटिव CH2 इट इज कन्वर्टेड CH2 का CH3 बन गया. तो इट इज positively, it is carbocation. It is also called as carbonium ion, and this carbonium ion considered as a 1 carbonium ion 1, and this carbonium undergoes resonance structure. It is donated by the another double bond. It is converted into carbonium ion 2. ये पॉजिटिव हो गया CH डबल बॉन्ड CH CH2 CH3. नेक्स्ट सिमिलर टू द मुझे HBr जैसे Br2 का एडिशन है Cl2 का एडिशन में मैकेनिज्म में हुआ था जैसे वैसे ये Br माइनस इट इज इफ इट इज अटैक ऑन द कार्बोनियम आयन 1 इट गिव्स द 1,2 एडिशन प्रोडक्ट CH2 डबल बॉन्ड CH Br CH3. If it is attack on the carbonium ion 2 it is going to give the 1,4 addition product CH2 Br CH double bond CH3. It is what? 1,4 addition product. The name is 1 bromo 2 butene. Their name is 3 bromo 1 butene. This is the mechanism of next reaction is the Diels-Alder reaction. Diels-Alder reaction. What is the Diels-Alder reaction? When the butadiene, that is the 1,3 butadiene, is react with the unsaturated compound like ethene or acetylene or cyanide, there is a addition reaction takes place, and this addition reaction also 1,4 addition. So there, what happens? This is converted into this and this double bond it is given to this, and there is a formation of cyclic structure. CH2, this is CH2, 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 CH double bond CH. तो ये हो गया cyclohexene. तो when this reaction 1,3-butadiene reacts with the unsaturated compound, it is converted in cyclic compound. It is called as the Diels-Alder reaction. And in this reaction, this unsaturated compound, acetylene or ethene or cyanide, it is called as dienophile, and the product is called as adduct. So in this reaction, if the dienophile having the electron withdrawing group like COAH, COOR, or CO cyanide or CHO, this reaction facilitates, or this reaction rate of reaction increases. For example, reaction examples there: 1,3-butadiene CH2 CH CH CH2 CH. We taking the reaction between the malic anhydride. Malic anhydride is also the unsaturated compound and react with the dienophile. There is a formation of ring. There is a old 3 double bonds, pi bonds is converted into, sorry, this is CO O CO O, and this is the double bond. It is the tetrahydrophthalic anhydride. Here what happens, 3 pi bond, 1 2 3 pi bond, it is converted into 2 sigma bonds new and 1 pi bond is conversion. So this is about the, and here what happens, one carbon atom, 2 3 4, 1 4 addition reaction, 1 4 addition reaction. It is all about the Diels-Alder reaction.